Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today we are going to be doing our mini Mondays, and I have our giveaway announcement finally. So we're going to start with our mini Mondays, but stay tuned because all of these goodies are going to be announced as giveaway items that you guys can get. So here is my Monday binder. I have my little teapot here. I'm gonna roll, let's see, I have $30 here. I have a spicy 5. I'm just gonna mix this 5 into this stack of bills somewhere. And how do I want to do this? I guess I will roll a d6, and however many I roll, that's what the challenge will get. 6 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I don't know if this will work out. 1, 2, 3. We'll see. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's that spicy 5. There it is. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. All right, we're gonna do that. I'm just grab a couple extra dollars here. So let's see what each challenge got today, and then we'll do our little giveaway here. All right, so this first challenge is by Tailor Your Budget. This is a T-Rex, and she says each tea bag is worth $2. We're gonna make each one worth 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just because it'll go faster that way, and we can get through other challenges. I don't like to keep any challenge in here for too long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I hope you guys are having a good Monday. I am a bit behind recording and filming and editing and all that stuff. I have been working on getting my schoolwork done, guys. I'm wrapping things up here with my master's, or my specialist degree rather. We are so close to the finish line. I can taste it. I can taste the freedom, but I am not quite there yet. So I can't give up yet. I still have a little bit left to do, but I'm trying so hard to stay motivated and get it all done. So this challenge is by Restoration by Autumn. We have 1, 2, 3 that we're adding here today. So 1, 2, 3, it looks like this is sticking around for a little bit longer, but maybe if we have extra funds somewhere, we can finish this one as well. But this has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we need one more to finish this out. This is our last mini Monday of the month, guys, and I feel like I haven't finished that many mini Monday challenges this month because it's been a rough month, but we will see at the end of the month what we ended up saving. So if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, or if you're new here, we do like a reallocation at the end of the month with all of this money that we save, and it's very exciting. It's very fun. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell so that you can see those videos. All right, this one is by Happy to Save with Hannah. This is a relatively new channel, I believe, so go check her out. I've been enjoying watching her videos, and she made this cute little lemonade freebie for us in her Ko-fi. So we have $2 here, so I'm gonna go ahead and cross out this sugar for $2. Okay, our next challenge here is by Angela Marie. And we have this little wild or woodland animal here, this little deer, so cute. We have, this one got our spicy 5, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We only needed 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to save that for this one. And what do we have? we have 10, 15, 20 in here. So we have $20 saved. Today is the 28th. $20 saved with this challenge. This is going into our finished challenges bag. Yay! So we finished another one for this month of April on the last mini Monday of the month. All right, next we have this challenge, which we started last week. This is by Wild Everest. And we have this cute little sloth guy eating an ice cream. And we are adding $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 to this challenge today. So we can do these other threes right here. Knock out these big ones first. Pretty soon I'm going to be as carefree as this sloth with being done with my graduate degree and being done with teaching for the year. Summertime is almost here. That's going to be me right there. All right, so in this challenge, we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12. So we made good progress on that one today. All right, and now this challenge, we had $1 from before, and we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so we have $7 in this challenge now. And we have $4 to allocate, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. So that's not enough to finish that one or that one. But we can definitely finish this one. So we'll add $1 more to this. Okay. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Beautiful. So another challenge going in the finished challenges bag. Woohoo! There's that. And we have $3 left here. So let's see, where should we put it? Let's roll. Let's roll and see where it's going. Challenge number 2. Well, okay, we'll just do this one. All right, so $3 here. We can do some of the ice cubes then. We'll do these ice cubes right here. Boom. There we go. All right, so this one has $5 now. All right, so that's it for our mini Mondays, guys. We finished 2 challenges today with our mini Mondays. So let's put these in our finished challenges bag. She's not quite as thick this month because we have been struggling this month to save, but you know, we're still trying our best. All right, it is giveaway announcement time. So forever ago, I said I would be doing a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I did hit that a while ago, and then I bought stuff. I spilled water on the stuff, and so I had to order more stuff, and so now I finally got all the stuff, and here we go. So to enter this giveaway rather, you are going to need to be subscribed to my channel, be a public subscriber, and you're going to need to be 18 years or older, be willing to send me your address, and you'll comment something down below. So the first little giveaway here is by Budget with Carly. This is an iced baby scratch off. It saves $60. There's like some freebies in here that I didn't open, and I'll also be sending like some of my scratch off challenges and other challenges from my shop to y'all with this challenge, but this is the main one. So if you would like to enter for this one, just make your comment have the word iced in it. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing is these challenges from Vicky Thinks. So I have these fully funded placeholders. Sorry, they're placeholders. So there's a fully funded one. I think there are like $50, like $100 placeholders in here, these little turtles. And then this Build a Taco scratch off. Oops, wait, no, sorry, for some reason my brain thought it was upside down, but it's not. Okay, so there's a scratch off game, Build a Taco. For each ingredient found, save $2, and each completed taco save $5. Find the salsa and save $8. Find the sneaky tortilla man and save an additional $1. All right, so you'll scratch off, you'll see which ingredients you get. And then once you have a complete taco, you save $5. So very fun game here from Vicki Thinks. If you would like this set, if you want to enter for this, just put the word taco somewhere in your comment. So iced taco. You know what? I actually have this. I think is gonna be its own little thing, but this is another taco one by Lil's World. So this is powered by tacos. It's a mystery savings, but each amount is $1 to $5. And I'll also give you this little freebie that came with it. And again, like some of my scratch offs. So let's see. Let's make this one turtle and this one taco. So if you want this challenge, it's iced. This one is turtle. This one is taco. Okay, that's how we'll do it. Next, I have this challenge from Restoration by Autumn. God Says I Am. And it's like a little scratch off savings challenge here. Save $35. Very cute. If you would like this, you can comment somewhere in your comment, say lamb. And then the last thing I have here is this book by Norelli's Budgets. It's $1 at a time. So this is like, I guess, the big ticket item here. But if you would like this savings book, it's a cute little savings book by Norelli's Budgets. There's lots of saving pages in here. Each little page has like an envelope behind it for you to put your money, and it helps you save $1. There's this $2 savings one, $5. So if you would like this challenge, you're going to comment, let's see, what should you comment? Comment, I guess, flowers, since it has like flowers on it. Comment flowers for this. Okay, so again, we have iced, turtle, taco, lamb, flower. Those are our words for the giveaway. So go ahead and make a comment with any of those words, all of those words, and I will do a random comment picker by the end of this week, and I will post the winners next Monday. All right, that's the deal. So that is it for our mini Monday and our giveaway announcement. Thank you all so much for being here. Remember, to enter the giveaway, you need to be publicly subscribed. So check that you are publicly subscribed, and make sure that you have that little check mark that you're publicly subscribed. And yeah, that'll be exciting. I hope, good luck to all of you. I hope you enter and I hope you win, and it'll be fun and a fun way to say thank you for supporting my channel and subscribing. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Tiny Tuesdays. Bye.